In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Microsoft Teams. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by the constant ping of alerts, you're in the right place. Adjusting these settings to fit your work style can really make a difference, so let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, we'll start by opening Microsoft Teams. Once you have the app running, you're going to want to click on your profile picture, located in the top right corner of the screen. This is your portal to personalizing many aspects of your team's experience. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, then navigate over to Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Now that you're in notification settings, it's time to choose your notification style. You have a few options here. If you prefer to get both a banner and an email alert when something new happens, select Banner and Email. If you'd rather keep your inbox clutter-free, Banner only will give you just the pop-up notification. Alternatively, only Show and Feed will quietly collect alerts in your team's activity feed for you to read at your convenience. And if a particular activity isn't essential, you can choose Off to turn off notifications completely for that category. Next, let's talk about customizing different types of alerts. Microsoft Teams allows you to fine-tune your notifications based on your needs. You can adjust settings for specific actions like mentions, meaning anytime someone tags you directly. You also have the option to tweak alerts for messages including chats, replies, and likes. Meeting notifications can be tailored as well, whether it's for an upcoming start, update, or chat during the meeting. Don't forget about the people category. You can monitor status changes and availability alerts from your selected contacts. Plus, there's an Other section for things like team memberships and trending posts. Moving on, let's manage channel notifications, which is crucial for staying informed without being overwhelmed. To do this, go to a specific channel in Teams. Click on More Options, represented by 3 dots, and select Channel Notifications. You can choose between All Activity, Off, or customize it further to decide just how much information you'd like to filter through. Lastly, for those using Teams on mobile, setting up quiet hours is a real game changer. Head over to Settings, then Notifications, and tap on Quiet Hours. This allows you to pick specific times or days when you'd prefer not to receive alerts. And if needed, you can decide whether to mirror the notifications you receive on your desktop or customize them to suit your mobile needs. By now, you should feel equipped to tailor your Microsoft Teams notifications to better suit your lifestyle, ensuring that you're informed without feeling inundated.